Want perfect alignment in Canva in seconds? I'll show you how to turn on rulers and guides so everything lines up exactly. No guesswork. To get started, open any design in Canva. Look up to the top left of the screen, click File, then hover over Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see Show Rulers and Guides. Click that to enable them. You'll immediately see ruler lines appear along the top and left of your canvas. To add a guide, click on the ruler, drag down or across, and drop it exactly where you need it. You can create multiple guides, move them, and snap elements to them for pixel-perfect layout. These guides are excellent for aligning text, images, and keeping consistent margins across pages. If you found this helpful, subscribe and click the like button. Want more Canva tips? Let me know in the comments which feature I should demonstrate next. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.